Dude, this isn't in all the way. Chain tensioner. Okay, so we had the Ninja 650 running yesterday, and last night we tore the motor back out. When my buddy's friend took it for a ride yesterday, we didn't really have everything tightened down yet. And one thing that wasn't tightened down was the chain tensioner. So when he rode it around the neighborhood, the chain jumped on the cam gears and the timing all changed. And it did a lot of damage. Let me show you what happened. Well, here's the head with all the valves. And it basically broke one valve off and bent 3 others, and also broke one of the valve guides down in there. So basically this whole piece is crap. Oh, and the reason it's crap is because if you look, there's a giant chunk missing out of where the valve seats there. So you could try and take it, have it machined, but between that and the valve guide that needs pushed out and machined, I think it's going to be over $200. And a brand, well, not a new one, but a used one is $299 with all the valves intact. So I think he's going to order that, and then let me show you the second part of the damage. Okay, so here is the worst of it. Check this out. Oh, look at that. There's the broken valve. It's embedded in the piston. So, if we want to try to get this going again, we're going to have to get a new piston and a new cylinder head. And then we can get back to where we were. We had it running good, it's just it wasn't ready to ride yet. We needed to give it a once over and make sure everything was tight. And that was a very stupid and expensive mistake. So anyways, the Ninja project continues. Will we all lose our minds before it's over?